formulas. So what we discussed in the last class, please erase it, because of course we discussed the forward formula and backward formula, Newton's forward formula and a backward formula, right? So in that I gave the Newton forward, and another one is nothing but backward, right? So for the backward, actually we have to take that some different way, like a p plus 1 and so on. So actually already I said now, so we are I'm seeing two books. So in one book we have that one, but after that after the class I want to check in our, just simply got a doubt, so that's why I checked in our main textbook. So in that we have another formula, so that's why please girls, so remember, for the backward we will get plus, and for the forward we will get minus, and just please cancel it, that means cross it. And now here I am going to give the formulas again. Divided difference of a polynomial, otherwise difference of a polynomial is a concept. In that, Newton's formula for interpolation. In this again I said two formulas, Newton forward interpolation formula, Newton backward interpolation formula. Now first one, Newton's forward interpolation formula. Now write down. Here I am writing the formula, right as it is. Yn of x is equal to y naught plus p delta y naught plus p into p minus 1 by 2 factorial delta square y naught plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 by 3 factorial del cube y naught plus so on, plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 into p minus 3 and so on, p minus n minus 1, all divided by here 2 factorial, that means here what we get, n factorial, and here del power n y naught. Okay, so which is called as Newton's forward difference formula. Newton's forward difference formula. Okay, and here what I said that the value of the p is nothing but, generally what we have to take, x is equal to x naught plus ph naught. Then from this, x minus x naught equal to ph. Then what is the value of the p here? X minus x naught by h, where h is nothing but interval length. Okay. Next one, put a side heading, Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. For this one again, the formula is yn of x, yn plus p delta yn plus p into p plus 1 by 2 factorial del square yn. See here we have to take for the forward naught, that means initial value, n means lost value, plus p into p plus 1 into p plus 2 by 3 factorial del cube yn plus so on, p into p plus 1 into p plus 2 and so on, p, actually here we will get that the lost term is nothing but p plus n minus 1. The terms will be same, just we have to take the, instead of subtraction we have to take addition, and here del power n by n. Okay, and here also write down, here x equal to xn plus ph, so therefore p is equal to x minus x naught xn by h. Okay, clear? So this is nothing but the value of the p, and this is nothing but forward formula, this is nothing but backward formula. Now I am going to discuss the applications, and now I am going to discuss one application related to forward and related to backward. I will discuss it very slowly, and of course please try to understand now. 1 or 2 problems I will discuss, and everything will be same, just you have to take that only one change in a forward and in backward. each and every formula. So that's why we are going to discuss the applications, and I'll give you a few applications as a homework also. So now here I am taking the formula like this. First of all, write down one question. Find the cubic polynomial. Find the cubic polynomial. Find the cubic polynomial which takes the following. Which takes the following values. Which takes the following values. Y of 1 equal to 24. Y of 1 equal to 24. Y of 3 equal to 20. Oh sorry, 120. In the question write as it is now. Y of 5 is equal to 336. Y of 7 is equal to 720. Hence, obtain the value of y of 8. Okay. So listen carefully. Sometimes they gives the question in the form of table. So at that time simply we can. Okay. But sometimes they gives like this also. Now first of all what we have to do? Solution. First of all what we have to take? X values are 1, 3, middle values 5, 7. So now here I am taking x is 1, 3, 5, 7. Next y values 24 and 120. Next 336, 720. Okay. Next here what they mentioned? Cubic polynomial they asked. So now here find the cubic polynomial which takes the following values. Okay. So they didn't mention about forward and backward. So that is our wish. We can use any method. Now for this problem, I am going to use both forward and backward. Listen carefully. Now here it is del y. So now it is nothing but what we have to consider? Calci. So del y naught is equal to what will be the value? 120 minus 24. Then 96. Next 336 minus 120. Then 216. Next 720 minus 336. 384. Del square y. Then 216 minus 96. Now it is 120. Next 384 minus 216. 168. Now del cube y. Now 168 minus 120. It is nothing but 48. And for the next one we cannot, right? So that's why here we have to take the table like this. For the forward, that means this is the formula. First of all, what we have to calculate, we have to know what is h. So now h is equal to 3 minus 1. Length, no? So interval length is 3 minus 1 means it is 2. Now x equal to x naught plus ph. So what is p? X minus x naught by h. So what is the p value here? X minus x naught. X naught is nothing but the first value. Okay, x naught, x1, x2, so on. So now it is minus 1 by h is 2. This is p value. Now here I have the p value, and now I have the formula, and I have the y naught. So now see here for the forward. Okay, so for the forward what you have to consider? You have to consider these values. Okay, so now here already I have the formula. So now just write down. After this one, write down. Substitute P in forward formula. Then yn of x. That means here I am finding that polynomial. Because what they asked, cubic polynomial adikadante x terms lo undali. Next time adikadu question lone y of 8 adikadante. Finally, after getting the polynomial equation, you have to substitute the x is equal to 8. Okay. So now here what is y naught? 24 plus p into delta y naught. What is p here? X minus 1 by 2. Del y naught means 96 plus p is nothing but x minus 1 p into p minus x minus 1 by 2 into p minus 1. P minus 1 means x minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay, by 2 factorial. Clear? Next, plus. Of course here del square y naught. Del square y naught means into 120 plus again p is x minus 1 by 2 and into p minus 1 x minus 1 by 2 minus 1 x minus 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 factorial. What is del cube y naught? No, 48. So directly we have to take the 48 and after that we don't have any terms. The remaining values will be zeros. So this is nothing but the required formula. Now here I am not erasing this table because I want to calculate this problem by using the backward method also. So that's why here simply I am taking like this and now here I am taking the calculation part here. Now yn of x is equal to 24 plus x minus 1 by 2 into 96 plus 1 by 2 factorial means 1 by 2, okay, into x minus 1 by 2 into LCM I am taking x minus 1 minus 2 by 2, okay, into 120 plus 1 by 3 factorial means 1 by 6. Next x minus 1 by 2, x minus minus 2 by 2, x minus 1 minus 4 by 2 into 48. Okay, so now here what I'll get? 24, 2 ones are 2 fours are 8, 8s are. Now plus 48 into x minus 1. Now 2 ones are 2 60s are, 2 30s are, 2 15s are. Now plus 15 of x minus 1, x minus 3. Okay, plus now 2 ones are 24, 2 ones are 2 12s are, 2 ones are 2 6 are, 6 ones are 6. Now directly x minus 1 into x minus 3 into x minus 5. Okay, so now finally here you can keep like this, otherwise you can multiply. And because they asked the cubic polynomial, that's why we have to multiply. Now it is 48x minus 48 plus 15 of x square minus 3x minus x, that means minus 4x plus 3 plus x square minus 4x plus 3 into x minus 5. Now it is 24 constant value minus 48 plus 48x plus 15x square minus 15 fours are 60x plus 45 plus x cube minus 4x square plus 3x minus 5x square plus 20x minus 50. Okay, so now here first of all I am writing x cube term, next x square terms plus here I have a 15x square, next x square term is minus 4x square minus 9x square. So minus 9 plus 15, it is plus 9 after 10, 6. So plus 6x square. Next x terms. So here, yeah, minus 60x, 3x plus 20x, that is plus 23 minus 60 minus 37x. Next, oh sorry, here we have that 48x also, right? Now plus 48, it is 11 only, positive, plus 11x, 48x minus 60x. Okay, so that is 2 and 12 minus 12x, and here we have the 22. So subtraction, that is nothing but 11x. Next constant, what we have constant are 24 minus 48 plus 45 and minus 15. 6. So it is nothing but plus 6. This is nothing but yn of x, which is a cubic polynomial. Cubic means the order is 3. Clear? So now what they ask? They ask that y of 8. Now what we have to substitute? In the place of x we have to take that 8. Now 8 cube plus 6 into 8 8s are 64 plus 88 plus 6. What will be the answer? 8 cube plus 6 into 64 plus 88 plus 6, 990. So therefore y of 8 is equal to 990. So this is a question, second question, and this is a main polynomial equation. What is a polynomial equation? X cube. So x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6. మీకు ఎప్పుడైనా క్వశ్చన్లో పాలినామియల్ అని అడిగితే ఇలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. ఒకవేళ కనుక if they ask some any value, if they gives any value for x, then simply you have to substitute that value in x. Okay? So this is nothing but forward. Next I am going for the backward. So backward will be same, but of course the table will be same, but the formula is different and every value will be different. So now here I am going to use that the next concept is backward for the same problem. ఎందుకంటే మీకు ఈ రెండిట్లో డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటో ఐడియా ఉండాలి. దానికోసం I am going to discuss the same application in backward concept. So now just observe the difference, okay? Yeah. So these nothing but the table values. Now we have to move backward. That means down. Okay. Now what will be the formula? Yn of x is equal to yn plus what will be the formula? P into and sorry, I think in that formula again I think I took that is grad. Sorry, del కన్సిడర్ చేసినట్టున్నా బ్యాక్వర్డ్ కి ఆపోజిట్ వస్తుందండి, అంటే ఇది రివర్స్. ఇది చేంజ్ చేయండి ప్లీజ్. Okay, in backward formula plus p into p minus 1 into del yn p plus p into p minus plus 1 into p plus 2 by 2 factorial 3 factorial backward operator plus so on. Okay, and we know that the last term, that is nothing but plus p into p plus 1 into p plus 2 and so on, p plus n minus 1 by n factorial. Okay, so now here we have to get the same answer, of course. So now here I have to calculate h. H is nothing but obviously 3 minus 1 is 2. Next, x equal to xn plus ph. What is p? X minus xn by h. That means what is x here? X is nothing but as it is x minus xn. Xn is x1, x2, x3, and here n is nothing but 3. So that's why here x3 means 7 by h. H is nothing but 2. Okay, so now it is nothing but the value. Next here I am going to substitute all these values in the formula. Then yn of x is equal to yn means 720 plus p x minus 7 by 2 into grad yn means this one. Okay, so here the operator will be changes. 720 after plus of course into 384 plus p into p plus 1. What is p here? P into p plus 1 into square yn, this is square and this is cube power n. Square is 168 plus p into, and of course here we have that whole divided by 2 factorial. P into P minus 1 is 2 factorial, and here x minus P into P plus 1 P plus 2 by 3 factorial into Q value, it is 48. Now here 720 plus x minus 7 by 2 into 384 plus 1 by 2 into x minus 7 by 2 into x minus 7 plus 2 by 2, okay, into 168 mark plus x minus 7 by 2 into, of course here it is nothing but 1 by 6 also, okay, 1 by 6 x minus 7. Now here x minus 7 plus 2 by 2, next x minus 7 plus 4 by 2 into 48. Then 720 plus 2 1s are 2, 18 means 2 9s are 2s are. Now 192x minus, calculate 192 into 7, 1344 is a constant value, plus 2 1s are 284s are, 2 1s are 242s are, 2 1s are 221s are. Now x minus 7 into x minus 5 into 21 plus, and here what we have, 2 1s are 224s are, 2 1s are 212s are, 2 1s are 2 6s are, 6 6 get cancelled. Now x minus 7, x minus 5, x minus 3. Now we have to multiply it. 720 plus 192x minus 1344 plus x square, and here minus 5x minus 7x, that is minus 12x plus 35, and of course into 21 I have, plus now here x square minus 12x plus 35 into x minus 3. Then what we get here, 720 plus 192x minus 1344 plus 21x square minus 21 into 12, 252x plus 35 into 21, 735 plus x into x square, x cube, next minus 12x square plus 35x minus 3x square plus 36x plus into minus minus, okay, 35 into 3, 105. Clear? So now here I am writing x cube term, next x square is plus 21, this is finished. Next again where we have, this 2 minus 15, it is plus 6x square. Next x terms, plus 192 directly take in calculate, plus 192, okay, x terms again minus 252, here plus 35 plus 36, it is 11 plus 11x. Next constant 720 minus 1344, again plus 735 plus, not plus, minus 105, 6. So it is nothing but plus 6. So now just observe that we got the same polynomial equation in forward and backward, obviously it will be same. Next what we have to do, yn of 8. Actually n is 3 now, so y3 of x here, y3 of 8. 8 means 8 cube plus 6, 8 square plus 11, 8, 6. Obviously the value will be 98. Okay, like this. You can use any method. If they mention, okay, then you have to take that method only. Otherwise, you can take that forward or backward. That is totally your wish. Okay, and the calculation part will be different. For the forward, we will take the starting values, and for the backward, we will take the lost values. Okay, so this is nothing but the concept of the backward and forward. And now here we have the next question. Right now, using Newton's forward difference, now write use Newton's forward difference formula. Find the sum SUM. Find the sum SN equal to. Find the sum SN equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on. Find the sum Sn is equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on plus n cube. Actually the sum, we have to find the result. So we know that for the first n natural numbers n into n minus n plus 1 by 2 we will consider, and for the next one is nothing but some 6n into n minus so on we will consider. And now here we have to find the summation of the totally here the cube terms we have. The sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers we have to find. And we will discuss the proof of this problem in the next class. So we will continue in the next class with this proof. Thank you everyone.